In this video, we're going to show you a great alternative for anyone who's frustrated with the ICSee app, whether it's because of how it works or because of the ads that keep coming back even after you disable them. We'll introduce an app that offers a much cleaner experience than ICSee and, at least in the current version, doesn't display any ads. What's even better is that this app is developed by the same company behind ICSee. Besides providing a smoother experience, it also lets you view multiple cameras at the same time instead of opening them one by one. The app is called XMEye, and many people are already familiar with it. In the past, XMEye also displayed ads. However, in the current version, the ads are no longer showing. And even when they did appear, it was usually enough to disable them once in the settings. Using XMEye with ICSee cameras is very simple. First, download and install the XMEye app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It's available for both Android and iPhone. When you open the app for the first time, tap Agree to accept the terms of use. Next, you'll see the login screen. Simply enter the same username and password that you used to sign into the ICSee app. Then tap Cloud Login. If another agreement appears, tap Agree again to continue. Once the home screen opens, tap the checkmark next to the camera you want to view. In our example, we only have one camera, but if you have multiple cameras linked to your account, you can select all the ones you want to access. After that, tap Start Preview, and your cameras will open. Besides XMEye, there are other apps that also support ICSee cameras. We'll be covering more alternatives in future videos, so you'll always have another option if XMEye changes in the future. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and leave a like on this video so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. God bless you.